Protagoras is an argument between Protagoras, a celebrated sophist of the time, and Socrates. The story primarily takes place in the home of Callias, who's hosting Protagoras during his stay in Athens. The arguments throughout the dialogue range from what is a sophist to what is the greatest virtue. As you progress through the discussions between Protagoras and Socrates, you see two valid points of view that eventually begin to influence one another.
Hello everyone, I'm Alex Trebek, and welcome to another great game of Jeopardy! This week is Philosopher's Week, and today we have the great Socrates, and Protagoras, and Hippocrates. Thanks for being here today, guys. This round will have a matchup between two greats, Socrates and Hippocrates. Now it's time to play Jeopardy! Round 1. What is true beauty? Yes.
True beauty isn't what's on the inside or outside, it's actually what's on the inside.
That's correct. Question number 2. What is a sophist? Yes, Hippocrates?
A sophist is someone who has an understanding of everything.
Not quite. Yes.
A sophist is actually a paid teacher of philosophy and rhetoric. I'm obviously right, because I'm Socrates.
Alright, that's the end of round 1. Round 2.
Alright, and now, I'm now Alex, and we're introducing Protagoras and Socrates once again. Okay, round 2, let us begin. Question 1. What is virtue?
Virtue is what one's perspective on good is.
Fair enough. Alright. Question number 2. Is virtue able to be taught?
No, the human race is blessed with virtues from the gods. Either you have it or you don't. Incorrect. Actually, it can. Self-knowledge is the sufficient condition to the good life. Identify knowledge with virtue. If knowledge can be learned, then so can virtue. Thus, virtue can be taught.
All right. Fair enough. I'm not going to argue with you because I'm kind of scared. Now, move on to Final Jeopardy. What is the greatest virtue? Now, you wait a second.
It's on the keypad. No, like the screen in front of you over here.
All right, see your answer? Fair enough. And now I'll turn it over to my lovely sister.
Protagoras had begun by arguing that virtue could be taught, but had ended by arguing that some forms of virtue were not techniques or forms of knowledge. In this way, it could not be taught. Socrates had started in the opposite position, but had ended by arguing that all forms of virtue